Hi guys, welcome back. I'm here with another embroidery project. This one is an abstract ladies face. And of course, you guessed it, I got it from zdigitizing.net, where they have several designs already made up for you, or you can request your own drawing to be digitized or vectored. In the description below, you'll find two links for you to get a 50% off your first order when you click the link and go over to zdigitizing.com. In this particular file, there are 21 thread changes. Some of the colors do repeat themselves, but I'm not going to bore you with that, with what the colors are. You'll see as I go along. And also, you will notice that this is an abstract face, and I'm actually embroidering it onto a white twill fabric. So don't forget, like, subscribe, and go ahead and click the link so that you can get your